In this guide, I'll show you how to recover your TikTok password using the feedback form on a mobile device. First, open your mobile browser and enter a Google search for TikTok feedback. Tap the correct search result to open the feedback form. Now you need to fill in your contact information such as email address or your TikTok username. In the How can we help field, explain that you need to recover your password and tap Submit button when you're done. Now, all you have to do is wait for a response. Wait for 3 to 5 business days for TikTok's response via email you provided. So you gotta provide them with an email or a phone number so they can reach you when they find a problem or a solution for your problem. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.